Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the Group 3's crocheted stitch pattern. For this pattern, you'll need to know how to do a single crochet and a half double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 6 plus 3. For this video, I'm just going to do a quick 9 chains. Alright, to start off you want to chain 1, and in the second chain from the hook you want to single crochet all the way to the end of the row. Alright, that finishes off row 1. So row 2, we are going to turn our work. We are going to chain 2, and we are going to half double crochet all the way till the end of the row. And row 2 is the beginning of the repeat. So for this pattern, you'll end up repeating rows 2 through 5 until you end up reaching your desired size. Alright, row 3 is where the magic happens. We're going to start off by chaining 1 and working 3 single crochets. Next, we are going to work a stitch below. So locate where you want to go. So we'll do a stitch below 1. Then we're going to do a stitch below, which is down into the chain, which is down into the single crochet from the first row. So it'll be longer. And again, this is just like a single crochet where you yarn over and pull through and then pull through. Next, we will work a stitch below. Again, figuring out exactly where you want it to be. Sometimes it's hard to line it up. So insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2. And then we'll finish off by working 3 single crochets. You can see how that formed the grouping of 3. So for row 4, we're just going to chain 2, and we're going to work half double crochets all the way to the end of the row. Now remember, when you're doing your stitches below, that you don't work the stitches above, because then you'll end up with too many stitches and your work will end up not being the proper shape. Also, you want to make sure that when you're doing your stitches below that you end up not pulling your yarn too tight, or else it will deform your work. So row 5, the last part of this repeat, is just a chain 1 and single crocheting to the end of the row. So again, when you want to do this project, you want to make sure that you repeat rows 2 through 5 until you reach your desired shape. And there you have it. Very super easy of how to do a group 3's crocheted stitch pattern. And you'll notice how they all end up lining up perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.